Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make your own zero recoil sensitivity in Call of Duty Mobile. While creating a zero recoil sensitivity in Call of Duty Mobile can greatly enhance your gameplay and give you an edge over your opponents. Here are some tips to help you achieve minimal recoil sensitivity. First, go to the settings. Then, in the settings menu of your Call of Duty Mobile, navigate to the sensitivity settings. Lowering these settings can help reduce their sensitivity to recoil, making it easier to control. Then, spend time in training modes or practice matches to get a feel for the sensitivity settings you've chosen. Practice controlling your aim while shooting to minimize recoil. Certain attachment can help reduce recoil. Look for attachments like foregrips or muzzle attachments that specifically mention reducing recoil. Experiment with different combinations to find what work best for you. So just go always to the sensitivity settings to adjust your sensitivity settings and choose what fits for your gameplay. Some weapons naturally have less recoil than others. Experiment with different weapons to find ones that are easier for you to control. Assault rifles like AK-117 or AK-47 are popular choices for their manageable recoil. Instead of holding down the fire button continuously, try firing in short bursts. This can help you maintain control over recoil and improve your accuracy, especially at longer ranges. In an intense situations, it's easy to panic and lose control. Remember to stay calm and control your breathing. This can help you maintain steadily aim and better control recoil. Like any skill, controlling recoil takes practice. Spend time playing matches and focus on improving your recoil control. And that's how to make your own zero recoil sensitivity in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!